The Century Marine Pro range includes a selection of superior quality, sealed maintenance-free batteries, incorporating advanced design features and specialist hardware and components for recreational and industrial marine applications. Century's advanced labyrinth technology and double lid design, combined with calcium plate groups and enhanced paste formulation, has produced a battery with superior water retention and longer service life. Designed and manufactured in Australia, Century Marine Pro batteries are made for boats, just boats, and are built using heavy-duty full-frame cast grids, optimised paste, and delivered increased power to start the engine and to run onboard accessories including control instruments, UHF and VHF radios, and GPS navigation. Century's exclusive plate lock technology provides exceptional shock and vibration resistance to withstand the harsh and demanding effects of wave pounding, engine vibration, and trailer transport. For more information on the Century Marine Pro range, visit our website at centurybatteries.com.au.